If you are an e-commerce seller, we have a printer, we have a thermal printer, thermal label printer that's very essential for your business because it prints all type of labels from 2 inches to 4 inches. And basically the shipping label that is required for shipping of products is 4 by 6 inch label. And we have a 4 by 6 inch label just like this. So you can print all these labels from your Amazon dashboard or Flipkart dashboard or from your own website. And we have also the customized software for this printer where you can print all your labels according to your requirement and specifications. This printer is the thermal label printer that prints 4 by 6 labels so that you can stick all those labels on your product or your shipping cartons. So today we will showcase how we can use this thermal printer. So these are the type of labels that our thermal printer prints. This is a 4 by 6 thermal label printers. And for example, we want to print this label. You just have to give the command Control P. You just have to print this and just give a print command and this label will get printed.